Good morning, nerds and virgins. Good morning. It is officially Friday. It is the end of the week. I hope everybody had a great week in the markets. Because me personally, it's been drawdown all week. And that's fine. That's cool. This is a part of trading. There's drawdown weeks, there's profitable weeks. That's just the way it goes. But for this video today, I'm gonna teach you guys how to become every guru's worst nightmare. The day you can become every guru's worst nightmare is the day you can become profitable. At least for me it did, personally. But before we get into this video, there's something I need to announce, man. I'm getting 10 views, 15 views. So y'all need to hit that like button below for me, man. And y'all need to make sure y'all sub me. Because I'm just giving out this free content, this free knowledge as a profitable trader. I ain't charging nothing. I ain't got no course. I get my little 10 to 15 views. The least y'all can do is give me a little 5 to 10 likes, man. Give me 5 to 10 likes. Got me over here talking to the birds. Is anybody listening? Let me get 5 likes on this video now before I go crazy, man. Now let's get into the video. All right, before we start on how to become every guru's worst nightmare, what do most of these YouTube gurus tell you to do? What do most people on YouTube in the trading industry tell you to do? Let's go over that. So the first thing that gurus are going to tell you to do is use a stop loss. Use a stop loss. What else will these gurus tell you to do? Have a positive risk to reward ratio. You know what they say? You gotta have a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. You gotta have the 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, 40% win rate. The math just makes so much sense. 1 to 3 risk to reward with a 40%, and bam, you're profitable. It's science. Now, what else do these gurus tell you to do? Well, this isn't something they say, but this is something they do. And that is make quick money. I made $1,000 in a day. I made 50K in a day. This is what the gurus do. They all make their money in a day. Well, not even a day, 20 minutes. How I made 35,000 in 25 minutes. So everything you see right here, right? Everything you see right here, we are going to do the opposite. We are literally going against the grain on what every guru says, man. I'm tired of these gurus setting us up for failure. I've been listening to gurus for years and failing. I'm done failing at trading, and I'm done listening to these gurus talking about whatever they talking about. So when I say do the opposite, I mean we're going to literally do the opposite. No stop loss. Have a positive risk to reward ratio. We don't have a risk to reward ratio. What is that? What is that? We making money. We don't care about what the art that's made up in your brain. It's all made up. It's fake. It's fake. Make quick money. We make whatever the market gives us. So what that means is it can take 2 days, it can take 5 days, it can take 10 days, it can take 30 minutes, it can take a month. We do not time when the market pays us. We can't time it, and we never will be able to time it. So understand that. All we're doing is controlling ourselves in the market and letting the money flow to us. We are own money printers. We the Federal Reserve now. We printing money. Now that we know what the gurus want, and now that we know we're going to do the opposite of what the gurus want, it's time to go over how do we do this. No stop loss? That's risky, they say. No risk to reward ratio? You gotta be delusional. No risk to reward? You're not risking $100 to gain 200? What's wrong with you? You should be risking $100 to gain $200. That's what traders do. Traders have a positive risk to reward ratio. Shut up, man. Y'all so annoying. And lastly, make quick money, because you know the gurus love to make quick money. Well, we don't determine whether that money is quick or not, unfortunately. What we do is make whatever the market gives us. Whether that takes a day, a week, or a month, we will take what the market gives us, because we cannot control the market. And we're not going to force the market to give anything to us. We're just going to be patient, let the money flow in, and relax. That's all we do. But now that we know this, let's get deeper into the charts so I can show you guys exactly what I mean. All right, let's get into it. So, this is a trade I'm currently in. New Zealand Japanese yen. This is the trade I'm in. Well, one of the trades I'm in. I'm currently in like 4 or 5 trades right now. And so, let's go over the first one. No stop loss. I do not have a stop loss. This is non-existent. I don't have a stop loss or a take profit. Matter of fact, I have nothing. All I have is an entry. This right here is just to look at, just imagery in my brain. I really don't care about this stuff. And the reason I'm not able to use a stop loss, the reason you're going to be able to no longer use a stop loss, is because we are going to have a trading plan and manage risk appropriately. Have a trading plan, manage risk appropriately. I'm not even sure if I spelled this right, but it don't even matter. And so what that means is, how much drawdown will you go in when the trade goes against you? Because a lot of the times when you're in the Forex market, you can't time these trades perfectly. We don't know when the market is going to turn around. We don't know when the market is going to get that push up in our direction that we desired. So because of that, all we can do is manage our risk and take what the market gives us. For example, if the trade decides to blow against me down here, which would be 342 pips. Most traders can never imagine going 342 pips in drawdown, which is not a lot of drawdown. If this trade goes against me this much, I will be $809 in drawdown. That is absolutely nothing. It's nothing, and that's even if that happens. So if it comes down against me, I'll be $809 in drawdown. What I'm going to do is add more entries, and then I'll wait for the mean reversion. I'll wait for the bounce back. Then I'll close out some profits, or either break even before it makes a new low, or it will continue up and I get even a better profit than I imagined. Because I look at fundamental analysis, I look at what economies are doing, I can see where economies are trending, and I have the patience to hold and withstand any storm within that time, because I can't time the market. I can't time when the turnaround is going to come. So therefore, I just position myself in the right ways so I can profit from this market no matter what happens. Because essentially, all I'm doing is profiting from the volatility of the Forex market. I don't really care about the direction, because the Forex market is so volatile. We can look at it. It's a mean reverting market. All you see is up lines and down lines. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Guess what? If it comes down, it's just going to come up again. This is just science at this point. This is just science now. This is just, we're mathematicians, man. We reading lines going up and down. This is geography. What geography? Geometry, man. I know y'all learned geometry. Like, it's so simple to the point where, like, honestly, even a preschooler, a kid in kindergarten can do this. Just give them a $10,000 account with 0.01 lot sizes, tell them to buy or sell, and just let them have fun with it. Buy, sell, and they're gonna eventually make money than most traders. Because most traders, they're money hungry, They're not risk averse. They want to make quick money. They want to use a stop loss with a little 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. This is what they would have did right here. This is what your guru does. He has a little 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio with a little stop loss. He would have got stopped out. It's so easy to get stopped out in this market. Y'all gotta understand. This is the reason why I don't use stop losses. It's so easy to get stopped out in this market. It's so easy to go through a losing streak. It's so easy, man. It's easy to lose all of your money. And because of that, well, why not let's prepare ourselves for the opposite end then? Because if you don't, you're gonna lose it anyways. So we might as well prepare for it now. So get rid of the stop loss. Get rid of the take profit. Let's just control risk and take what the market gives us. That's it. That's it. All you gotta do is have your trading plan and manage your risk and you will be good. Next, I'm gonna go over one more trade because I don't want this video to be too long. You know the short attention spans be falling off every minute now. I probably don't even got any viewers left because the attention span's so short. But this is New Zealand USD, right? And as you guys can see, I'm in profit. If I would have closed this trade down here, I would have just lost like $800, $900, I think, for no reason. But you know what I did? Instead of closing it, I added. And now look, I'm in profit. My entry point is better. And I think my average is even lower than this. I just haven't adjusted it because I really don't care that much. I'm in profit, a couple $100 right now. And look at that. All I have to do is be patient. And that's fine. I ain't lose no money. I haven't lost money in so long, I forgot what it feels like. Because all I do is control my risk and let the money come to me. If this trade were to go way against me, I already have it planned out, yo. I'm gonna add right here. If it goes against me, I will add again down here. All depends fundamentally as well. I say this all the time. Look at your fundamentals. Go to forexfactory.com. Look at your fundamentals. Go look at them. We can see Canadian dollar has some strong retail sales month over month, some weaker than expected core retails month over month. The pound has some strong retails, some stronger than expected retail sales month over month. Fundamentals play a huge part in where these currencies will trend and the directions that they will go. So using that fundamental edge, you can use it to your advantage. And the last thing I want to touch up on before I close out this video is the quick money aspect of trading. There is no such thing as quick money. If you want to survive in this game long term, take away the expectation of quick money, slow money. No, it's just money. It doesn't matter if it's quick or slow. What matters is when you get paid, how much is it? Can you sustain yourself off of it? Can you live off of it? No, well, you have to get more capital. Even myself, as a small trader, even I am undercapitalized. And I make decent money, sure, but I'm still not making as much as I would like because it's a slow grind. To be consistently profitable over the long run, it takes time. To get that capital you want, it takes time. It's a slow grind. You need to remove your expectation off of slow money, quick money, all this. Just make money. I've been in this trade for a minute. I've been in this trade for almost a month now. No, a month. I've been in this trade for literally a month as of today, April 22nd. That's why I have this right here. I entered my first position April 22nd at 59 at 0.59702. And I don't know when it was gonna hit because sometimes my trades hit quick, sometimes they take a few weeks, sometimes they even take a month or two. I don't know. The point is I don't expect anything. But the way this trade is looking, we might hit pretty decent on this one. Just broke out this channel. Looks like we closing above. So if I get a break, if I get a little break, retest, bam to the upside, I'm gonna close it. And bam, just like that. I didn't force nothing. All I did was sit here, let the market do what it wants and acted accordingly. That's all I did. Cause that's how simple it is to trade. But yeah, with all that being said, man, I hope you guys understood what I was trying to say. I hope a few of you stayed to the end of the video. If you appreciated that, man, make sure to hit that like button down below for me. Subscribe. I'm getting 10 to 15 views. Make sure you hitting that like button. Make sure you supporting. And with all that being said, y'all, I'm going to catch y'all on Money Monday with some market analysis. It's going to be a good week next week. So let's get to it. Make sure y'all getting y'all studying in this weekend. Make sure you're preparing for the week ahead. Make sure you're getting the right mental framework so you can survive in these markets. And yeah, you'll be straight. I'll be the one to tell it to you. As a small, profitable trader, I'm giving you all the sauce that has helped me. So appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next lesson. Let's go.